Hi, Lucanyan here, and today I'm gonna show you how to install Android by Lollipop for the Xperia T only. First of all, I wanna thank White Neo. He is a member of the XDA forum and he's a creator of this ROM, so thank you. Okay, let's start downloading all the files through this link, and we need the Google Apps, the super user file, which it's the root rights, and of course the ROM itself. Once the download is complete, copy all the files into the internal storage of the phone. The next thing is the SDK Tool. It's required if you want Fastboot to work properly. When your download is complete, open the SDK Manager and be sure to install the Android SDK Tool, SDK Platform Tool, the latest SDK Bluetooth, and all the other Android Lollipop components. The next thing we are gonna need is a Fastboot program. I like to use this version because it's very simple to use. So, once you have downloaded and installed all the files we needed, open the zip file of the ROM itself and copy the boot.image into your Fastboot folder installation. An easy way to open the command window is to hold shift and press the right mouse button, and then choose Open Common Window here. If everything went fine and the blue Fastboot light stays on, we can proceed and type in the command window Fastboot flashboot.image and press enter. Now reboot your phone and keep pressing the volume up key until the recovery shows up. And that's it. As you can see, it's very fast response. There's absolutely no reason to not upgrade to Android 5 Lollipop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I really appreciate a thumbs up here on YouTube. That's pretty much all I have for you for today. It's Lucanyan and see you next time.